a.m. We have a sunrise shoot this morning, the engagement shoot, the reason why I came to New Jersey. It's a little cloudy and I'm kind of bummed out because we really wanted that golden sun, but crossing my fingers that the sun breaks through the clouds. Sunrise is at 6 and the beach is about an hour away, so we're about to leave right now. The one thing I did forget, I can't believe it, but I forgot my reflector. So what we're going to do to improvise is we're going to go to Walmart and get some car shades, some reflective car shades, because those work as well. So I'm really bummed out about that. But yeah, so let's do this. I haven't edited yesterday's vlog yet. That's probably going to come out later today. Just saying. It was a long night. Gabby, what time is it right now? Oh, 4 something. Why? So early. Like, what is this?
Taste this.
Why is this thing taking so long to focus today? Okay, so taste it.
It's pretty good.
Oh, that is good. What is this place called? Quick Check. Good job, Quick Check. Okay, so we're here. Can you believe it's raining? I can't believe it's raining. Why? Why? Guys, say hi.
Hi.
And
the t-shirt on my head.
She looks beautiful. She's practicing for her wedding day. Well, it's kind of stopped, but it's like the rain that makes your hair frizzy.
Yeah, it's not gonna work for me.
Gabby's like, my hair looks great. It's fine.
It's like oily hair, though.
Where is the sun even?
Huh?
Like, sometimes you would at least see a little bit of sun, but there's like nothing.
I know.
I think it's too cloudy.
True. I have hope. Oh, there's rocks.
Yeah.
Oh,
This beach is actually nice. Like, well, hopefully once the sun comes up, it'll like peek through the clouds.
Something, yeah. Even if it's overcast, they'll still be pretty. They just won't have that golden.
Yeah.
thing, you know? I know, it's like she's looking at you, you're looking at you.
You don't normally run like...
Well, so let's do it like this.
Hi, doggy. The dog wanted to play with us. He was like,
I know, but here's the stick.
okay, so the shoot went really well, but we are coming back tomorrow, hopefully, if it's sunny. And now we're gonna eat.
Hungry.
We is hungry.
We is.
Okay, so we are just gonna chill now, and I have to edit the vlog and the pictures that I'm very excited to edit. Very excited. Gabby was a very good assistant.
Yay, I'm best assistant in the world.
That's a stand. This was the car shade that we used as a reflector.
Stinky feet, Gabby.
Okay.
Do I look old?
So today has been kind of weird. We've been napping, I've been editing, but we're gonna go to the movies with Angie and Ruben. We're gonna watch Dark Tower. I'm very tired. We're all very tired. We've been up since 3:30 this morning, going non-stop. Well, not really. We took a nap, but yeah. So far, so good on the daily vlog thing, but it is hard. It's very tiring, so I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it up. Alright guys, I am going to get ready since I just showered, and we're gonna go watch movies. Expect a full Dark Tower movie review afterwards. Just kidding, I'm not gonna do that. I'll just say if it was good or not. Alright, you guys gotta give me the review. What you think? The movie?
Horrible.
I fell asleep.
I think that says it all.
Hell no. What happened?
There's a big ass praying mantis or whatever the freak on. Watch the praying
Where do
mantis.
you see it?
Ah!
I don't see it. Oh my god. It's so big. It's a grasshopper.
It's a
grasshopper. It's even worse. They jump. They jump?
Oh hell no! Don't get close to that. I don't know.
No, my god. Don't touch a butt. It's gonna jump. No, you should. I don't know what you were freaking out about. I was like, what's happening?
No. You see, my chocolate was on the Oh, you gonna get the chancla?
Oh, chancla. I thought it was chocolate. I was like, what? They like chocolate?